नमस्ते मुंबईकर, मैं हूँ वंशिका बंसल, आप सबकी होस्ट, और आप देख रहे हैं एड्रेस ऑफ चॉइस। Address of Choice is a channel that provides you with detail-oriented overview of different properties in different cities. Till now, we have covered properties in Bangalore, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Noida, Hyderabad, and we are still to cover many more properties for you all. And if you have any property in mind which you want us to cover in any city, please tell us in the comment section down below. Well. Today I am at the Rivali Park. Rivali Park is a project by Rivali Group. Till now, Rivali Group has in total submitted 3 phases, among which 2 of the phases has already been delivered. Third phase, which consists of 6 towers, is now in the process of being delivered, among which first and second tower has been launched and third tower will be launched the upcoming time. So yeah, the third tower name is Moonrise, and we are here to discuss about the third tower, which is Moonrise. So let's go and take a look at all the features, amenities and facilities which Moonrise of Rivali Park has to provide to us. So let's go. Let's discuss the connectivity and locality which Rivali Park has to provide. So Rivali Park is situated at Magathane in Borivali East. Magathane metro station is only 100 to 200 meters away from this place. Borivali station is around 1 to 2 kilometers away, and all the smart shops, supermarkets are under the proximity of under 1 kilometer. Now let's take a look at the formation and structure of the Rivali Park. Let's go. Now let's talk about the formation and structure of Rivali Park. Rivali Park had in total 3 phases, among which 2 of the phases has already been delivered. In third phase, there are in total 6 towers. First and second tower has already been launched in May and December 2023, whereas the third tower has been launched right now on 10th May 2024, and it will be ready for possession in 2029. Talking about the elevation, it has 3 levels of underground parking, 1 ground level, 4 levels of podium parking, 5th level has floor amenities, and onwards till 46 stories are flats for living. Well, it also has 3 multi-purpose courts on the ground level. It also provides you various and multiple lavishing amenities such as swimming pool, football court, squash court, walking track, and so many more. So now let's discuss the amenities which this project has to provide for you. It includes multi-purpose courts, swimming pool, jacuzzi, pool deck, outdoor terrace, multi-purpose lawn, jogging track, skywalk, amphitheater, and climbing wall. Now let's take a look at the 3 BHK apartment of Rivali Park, which is of the size 1263 square feet. As soon as you enter, you will find the foyer area, which is of the size 6 by 3 into 11 by 2. As you move ahead, you will find the first master bedroom of the house along with the toilet, which is of the size 4 by 6 into 7 by 6. And the size of the master bedroom is 10 by 12. It also comes along with the walk-in wardrobe, which is of the size 5 by 2 into 7 by 4. Moving ahead is your living and dining area, which is of the size 11 by 23, and it also comes along with the deck. The deck is of the size 11 by 6 into 6, and it provides you with a scenic east and west facing view. Now let's take a look at the kitchen, which is of the size 8 by 12. Let me tell you, the kitchen is very spacious, and it also comes along with the utility area of the size 5 by 8 into 6 by 4. On the left side of your kitchen is your powder toilet, which is of the size 5 by 3. Moving ahead is your bedroom number 2, which can be converted into kids room or study room, and it is of the size 10 by 10 into 12, along with the attached bathroom of the size 4 by 6 into 8. Also, all the sanitary fittings which you can see is provided by the developer. Moving ahead is our master bedroom number 3 with the walk-in wardrobe of the size 9 by 9 into 5, as you can see. The master bedroom size is 11 by 15 along with the attached washroom or master toilet of the size 8 by 5. You can also convert your window deck with a cute sitting sofa setting as you can see over here. Now let's talk about the price and configuration of 2 BHK and 3 BHK. So 2 BHK provides you with two sizes. One is 772 square feet that is without balcony and the other one is 863 square feet with balcony, and the starting price for same is 1.97 CR. If I talk about 3 BHK, 3 BHK offers you 1116 square feet and 1263 square feet with the starting price of 2.97 CR. Well, that was it from our side about this beautiful and amazing property, Rivali Park. I hope I was able to explain this property to you well. If you still have any doubts or inquiries, you can comment down below in the comment section or call on the number which is given in the description box. Also, let me tell you, the possession date for this property is in the year 2029. If there is anything or any property which you want us to visit, please let us know in the comment. I hope you like this video. Share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.